Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shantina and today I am going to be helping you with some of those joint pain issues that you are having. So you feel like you've done everything that you can do to help with your joint pain, the achiness you're feeling, not being able to move around like you used to be able to move around, especially when you're trying to work out. It's just very difficult to get those reps in, those squats in, and you're trying to figure out what can you do to help lubricate your joints and stop some of this joint pain and stiffness that you may be having. And I know for me, I used to work out a lot in the past, and I believe working out in the wrong way really hurt my joints and my cartilage. So I've had joint pains for a long time, probably since I was like maybe 30 or 35 years old. So a lot of my joint pain is from damage that I've caused in the past. And currently, if I have any joint pains, I'm going to say it's because I'm getting older in age. But I can say over the last 4 years, I have not had any joint pain. And if I had joint pain, it's because something I'm doing wrong. So in fact, in the 2016 edition of the Clean Eating magazine, there was a study done showing that collagen may have a positive effect on different types of arthritis pain or joint pain overall. And in 2016, studies showed the effects of collagen peptide supplement on individuals with osteoarthritis and joint pain overall. Studies showed that the collagen supplements decreased the pain and stiffness and mobility of those people's joints and cartilage. So I'm going to say that was a win-win. So there are different types of collagen. There's type 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 being for hair, skin, and nails, and 2 being for healthy joints and cartilage. But just in case you didn't know, cartilage keeps your joints moving freely, and collagen supports the cartilage in the mobility of the joints. And as we get older, we lose collagen production in our body, which causes that stiffness and joint pain that you're feeling, not being able to bend, move. It's taking a little bit longer for you to get up out of the bed or up off the couch. This is because a lack of collagen. So you see how this can be an issue for your joints. And there are a couple of ways that you can combat this joint pain issues that you may be having. One is weight loss. You want to take some of the pressure up off of your joints. So you want to make sure that you're getting into the gym, or if you can't get into the gym, you can walk around in your neighborhood, walk around in your home, in your backyard, anywhere that's going to get that mobility moving in your body and in your joints. You want to definitely start doing that. You want to do a lot of stretching those tendons, stretching that cartilage, bringing that mobility, the movement in the joints. You want to make sure you're doing that and drinking plenty. Okay, you got to drink plenty of water. That will help your joint mobility. And you want to definitely be taking some type of a collagen supplement, preferably a collagen peptide. You want to make sure that you're using collagen peptides with type 2 in the ingredients. And you shouldn't have a problem finding that because most collagen peptides have type 1 and type 2 already built into the formula. So I've been taking 4 different brands of collagen peptides. And for me, I'm going to say as it pertains to like the subject matter at hand today, I'm going to say that sports research, this one here, this would probably be my go-to for joint pain. The reason why I say that is because sports research, I've been taking it the longest. I feel like I felt the effects quicker. I just feel that this brand focused more on joint rehabilitation and muscle recovery. So if you're into like working out, or like I said, your only issue is joint pain, I'm going to say try the Sports Research brand. And there also are other brands. Then you have the regular Vital Protein that has 1, 2, and 3. And one that I'm recently taking, I did a video. Go check it out. This particular Collagen Peptides has probiotics in it. So there are different collagen peptide brands out there that are doing different things. But like I said, if you're looking more for like joints and muscle rehabilitation and joint rehabilitation, I'm going to say try the Sports Research brand. So before you go out there and try different prescription medications to help with the pain and mobility of your joints, get with your doctor. Ask them, is collagen peptides an option for you? And if it is, by all means, please go out there and try collagen peptides before you do medications, which can bring a whole lot of other side effects. Or surgery. By all means, we want to avoid surgery. So try those things first, but get with your physician and make sure that it is a good supplement that you can use. Look, I did it. I'm almost 50 years old. Okay. Yay for me. I'm almost 50 years old and I move like I'm like 35, 40 years old. And yeah, there is a difference between 40 and 50. And I can say overall, I'm loving it. So if you're interested in taking any collagen peptides or collagen peptide supplements, I'll leave some links below in the description box. You can check them out if you choose to. If not, definitely get with your physician before you try anything, just to make sure that it's going to be a good fit for you. And if you try any collagen supplements for your joint pain, please come back and share your experience with me. I would love to hear all about it. So before you leave, make sure you go ahead and check out one of my other videos that I did on collagen peptides. I also have some hair care videos on my channel, and I also have some inspirational words on my channel also. And if you're interested in any of those things, please subscribe to this channel, turn on those notification bells so you won't miss any video that I put out, and make sure you're commenting and liking this video. And as always, remember to stay focused and keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. And until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Shantina, and today I am going to be doing a video on collagen peptides. A couple of months ago, I reviewed this Vital Protein collagen peptide and this collagen peptide that I always take. Towards the end of the video, I'm going to let you know which one of these I like best, which one I'm going to continue to use, and I came across a new, well, it's not a new brand, but it's new to me. So I am going to order that, and I'll put it on the screen later on in the video to let you know which other collagen peptide I am about to start taking or review. And I'm taking this particular new one because it has a ingredient in it that these other two collagen peptides don't have. All right, so as you can see here, I don't know if you can see it, but I have a lot of questions. So we are going to just, and I'm not going to read them all because it's a lot. But I am going to go through here and answer the questions that pop up the most. So give me 1 second. I started from the beginning. So, and then I'm going to tell you which video the question came from. So just in case you want to go back and look at that video. And speaking of going back and looking at a video, if you do not know what collagen peptides are, I advise you to stop this video, do a little research, or you can go on my channel and I have like 7, maybe 8 videos about collagen peptides. If you go all the way back about 4 years ago, I did a video, my first video on collagen peptides. And I believe it's called like it's a game changer or something like that. So go ahead and look at that, and then as I'm going, you'll know what I'm talking about. All right, so on the video I did, my 1 year update of taking collagen peptides, the pros and the cons. The comment says, great info. Thank you for sharing. Can you please link the liquid vitamins that you are taking? The name of the liquid vitamin is called NutriBurst. I'll leave a picture of it right here. If I have a link for it, I'll go ahead and put it in the description box, or I'll just put the website of the company in which I get it from.